Hi everybody, my name is Chantel. I am a very, very new YouTuber. I apologize for any weird, bizarre things that I might say, do, whatever. I apologize. This is my first video and I figure, why not unbox this beast. So I've been getting these for about a year, roughly, and I've loved every single box that I've gotten. Actually, I'm sitting on one of my all-time favorite things. It is a nice, comfy blanket scarf. I wear it everywhere. I take it everywhere. It's so comfy. I've got makeup that I love. I've got water bottles, the whole 9 yards. So let's do this. So, first things first, the magazine that comes with it every time. It lets you know what's in it. If you've never had one of these, I highly recommend them. I already know what's coming in my box because I cheat. Alright, let's see. Oh, $60 gift card for HelloFresh. I am looking forward to trying that because I hate cooking. Even though I do it for a living, I hate it. Let's see. Oh, a nice little code for somebody, anybody, if you want it. All right, let's do this. Let's do the thing. All right, this is, let's see how much these things are worth. This is an Ahava hydration cream mask. I am looking forward to this because my skin is drying out like crazy. This is worth $33 American. I'm Canadian, so I pay a little more for these. Still worth it. Totally worth it. It is supposed to have, let's see what's in it. Mineral spring water, shea butter, vitamin E. Let's see what else is in here. All the usual stuff. Salicyclate. Either way, I'm looking forward to it because winter sucks. I have a brilliant eye brightener from Thrive Causemetics. I've never heard of these guys. I've never tried them. Let's see what it is. Interesting. It's a nice little, I don't think you can see it because I have really crappy lighting. I'm sorry, but there's, yeah, you can't even see it. I'm really looking forward to using this because I've had a long week. This is worth $24. It has macadamia and meadow foam oil. It can be used as a highlighter, like the highlighters for your eyes, all that fun stuff. All right, second is a Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for dry and damaged hair. I need it. My hair gets so damaged so quickly in the winter, and I'm looking forward to it. I just throw things everywhere. Why not? Look at that. Oh, that smells so good, and it's so thick. Perfect. This will cure what ails my hair. I can't wait to use this. Let's see, where is it at here? This is worth $49, which is what this box cost. So, the best part is, you pay for this, you get everything else free. It's beautiful. And it is, it has argan oil and keratin. I can't see anything because I'm half blind. Sulfate free. Can't even read. Avocado oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, linseed oil, shea butter, rosemary, sunflower seed oil. Nice. I'm excited to try this. Very, very excited. It smells really, really good. This is what it is. Also making a mess everywhere. This is what I've been looking forward to. Bite Beauty. Their stuff. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This is worth $26. And that is a beautiful shade. If you can see. See. Beautiful. Love it. Very, very hydrating. It has, normally it has agave or some kind of very, very rich oils. It's got beeswax, shea butter, castor seed oil, jojoba seed oil, all kinds of oils and butters that make your lips very, very soft. Again, really, really good in the winter. This is the shade Merengue. Beautiful. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. So pretty. And this is normally $26. Can be found at Sephora, which makes me really, really happy. Also very happy that Sephora in Canada is now carrying Morphe. Love me some Morphe. Alright. I have BLAQ eye mask with hyaluronic acid. These things. I could use it. You can't tell, but I got really, really bad bags under my eyes, dark circles. It's kind of ugly. And need to open it. Want to open it. The struggle's real. It is so very real. Come on. Open. Alright, so while I'm sitting here waiting and yelling and screaming, these are $29 with, I already said, hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid. They're charcoal. And $29 normally. So, these little beauties, which I will probably end up using today. Because very bad circles under my eyes. Very puffy, very tired, don't sleep well. Thanks, anxiety. You suck. Alright, let's onward and upward. Okay, these are 2 essential oils from Elevate. These run for $31. I have, what is it, eucalyptus and sweet orange. And they use fractionated coconut and jojoba oils. And nice little cute bottles. The orange will come in handy because cats, they run away from it, so I'll put this on things they don't want to get hold of. Ooh, eucalyptus. Really, really, really good for clearing your sinuses. So when I'm sick, I normally just have a hot water steam with some eucalyptus oil in it. It's fantastic. Clears everything out of your head. And that was from Elevate. Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set, $31. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. And sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. Perfect. I get a lot of headaches. Alright. The third thing. I'm looking forward to this. This is the Mark & Graham ColorBlock Throw. And this one is one of them. You can get either natural ivory or gray and ivory. Oh, yeah. So warm, so squishy. I can't wait. Look at it. It's so pretty. Look at it. I'm super comfy already. Cozy, warm, ready for winter. Not really. I'm lying. I'm lying through my teeth. So that is a $49 value. Again, you pay for the box. You get that. You pay for that. You get everything else for free. I love these boxes. Next up, I'm saving the best for last because I'm really excited for the last thing. This is an H. Halston jewelry portfolio. It smells so good. Not even gonna lie. But it has all of these. So much packaging. Why so much packaging? Honest to God, just so much packaging. Yes, these beautiful little things for your necklaces and earrings and little pouch. Little things. I'm excited because I have nothing to put my jewelry in. I have this. And this is a $48 value. It's Halston. It's pretty. I like pretty things. I'm a big fan of pretty things. Very, very big fan. Yeah. And I'm sorry for the mess in the background. Just don't ask. This. Pure Be Your Selfie palette. So excited. So this is a $36 value. I love Pure. Love their stuff. Why? Why do you have to make it so hard to get into it? And I can't wait to swatch these things. It is a 9-pan palette. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look, it's so pretty. And if you couldn't see better, look at it. Oh, those are gonna just be epic. Now, the fun part, swatching. Okay. Again, so much packaging. Let's see. Oh, so creamy. Look at that. Okay. Oh, that one's like a beautiful champagne color. Can't really see very, very well. I'm a hot mess. I apologize. Look at that. All right, so this one is the darkest. It's called Confident, Strong, Fabulous, and there is a champagne colored one down here called Charming. You can't see it. I can barely see it. It's there. Trust me. Trust me. And let's go with the other ones. Okay. This is Free, Natural, Pure. Didn't even show up. I promise it's there. Promise. Gorgeous. Yeah. Smartly, don't joke. And up here is alluring. They go on very, very nicely. They're very, very pigmented for being such soft colors, but they're beautiful. They're creamy to the touch. They're just perfect. I'm so happy. This is what I was excited about most. Be your selfie. All right, well, that was a total value roughly of anywhere between $290 to $335 per box. In Canadian funds, it's almost $90 plus once you put in, I can't English. Once you factor into the price, shipping, taxes, because with this, you do get charged shipping and taxes if you're outside of the US. Worth it. Totally worth it if you're getting almost $350 worth of stuff. And again, taking in the exchange rate and everything. I'm very, very, very happy with this box. Like I said, I've been getting these for about a year now. They're amazing. I use my introduction to Murad was through this box. And I absolutely would pay the $40 for the skin perfecting lotion any day. because it has done wonders for my skin, and I love it. That's about all she wrote. So I'm going to sign off, and I will see you.